Did you know that your body is literally trying to kill you every time you feel thirsty? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true, and today we're diving into some of the weirdest health facts about our bodies, and I'll show you how to fix them so you... Call to action. If you're into crazy body facts and want to stay healthy while doing it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Problem 1. Your body wants you dead when you're thirsty. Okay, this sounds extreme, but when you're thirsty, your body enters into a survival mode. That's right. Dehydration can shut down your bodily functions and even cause organ failure if left unchecked. Your kidneys essentially go into save mode, and your blood thickens to conserve water. Problem 2. Your heart can skip a beat, and it's not always bad. You've probably felt it, a sudden thump or flutter in your chest. That's your heart skipping a beat, and it's called a PVC, premature ventricular contraction. It can happen when your heart has an extra electrical impulse. It sounds terrifying, but PVCs are usually harmless. Stress, caffeine, and lack of sleep can make them more frequent, but most of the time, it's just your heart going a little haywire. Cut back on caffeine, practice stress management techniques like meditation or yoga, and make sure you're getting at least 7-8 hours of sleep. If you feel heart palpitations with dizziness, chest pain, or shortness of breath, it's time to see a doctor. Problem 3. You can forget your legs are there. Fact. Have you ever been sitting on the floor for too long and suddenly your leg falls asleep? You can't move it, it's tingly, and you almost forget it's there until it wakes up with a painful rush of sensation. This is a classic case of paroxysmal dysesthesia. To avoid this, make sure you're not sitting or lying in one position for too long. Get up, stretch, and move around regularly. If this happens often without clear reason, it could be a sign of nerve issues, so get it checked out. Problem 3. Your gut is secretly controlling your mood. Here's something weird. Your gut literally talks to your brain. It's called the gut-brain axis, and it's a two-way street. The bacteria in your gut can influence your emotions. This means that what you eat and how well you take care of your gut can impact your mental health. Ever had a gut feeling? It's not just a saying, it's science.